How you doing, sir? Let's see your license, please.
I don't have my license on me.
Is car registered to you?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Steven.
Steven what?
Martinez.
So exactly why are you doing 105 miles an hour?
That is her wedding, and I'm taking her to her wedding.
You're probably going to go to jail. You're probably going to jail, so she probably should call someone to come get it.
Why am I going to jail?
For doing 105 miles an hour. That's reckless driving. You understand that, right? Plus you have a warrant out of Broward County. You know that, right? Well, where's your license?
I left my wallet at home.
Huh?
I left my wallet at home.
Were you born in 1993?
Yes.
How do I go? 105 on the Crosstown. Reckless? No, well, he took off from the light. But he's got a warrant out of Broward County, but it says connecting counties only, so I'm having him shoot a message down there real quick. So it's 60 miles an hour over the speed limit. He's late for a wedding, has the bride in the seat next to him. Yeah, and another dude came, like, stopped behind me. He's like, he was fucking blowing those intersections behind me. So, just give him the 50 over mandatory. Cool. Oh yeah, I will. Whose wedding is it?
It's mine.
What time is it?
It's 2:30.
Where at?
In Stuart at the courthouse.
Hey, you're already late.
We're trying to get there.
Just give me a minute. I'll let you take her, but I'm gonna give you a court date. It's a mandatory court appearance.
Thank you.
All right. Well, I take that back. You have a warrant out of Broward for failing to appear on an open container. So.
No, that's in Ohio. That's not in Broward.
Okay, it says Hollywood, Florida. It's weird. It says Hollywood, Florida entered it, but then it says Bowling Green.
Yeah, Bowling Green is Ohio.
Okay. All right. So just give me a minute to write the ticket. For a person. Yeah, I read it wrong. It's out of Ohio.
Yeah, 10-4.
Sorry about that. And you could cancel my 94 vehicles.
That's okay. I'll let you know.
Thank you.
PSL name southeast.
Sir, you owe her thanks, because if it wasn't for her, you'd be going to jail right now. All right? You have a mandatory court appearance. You have to call this number. They're going to give you a court date. Just to make you aware, a 50 mile an hour over is at least $1,000 fine. So that's going to be up to the judge. So one's for speeding, one's for not carrying your license. All right? Slow down.
All right.